Sylvain, Senior Tech and Trainer over at the Confection Avocat. Today, we will unpack a Wittenborg 9100 machine. Make sure that you got the proper tools to handle the machine, like a forklift. If you don't have one, make sure that you got enough people to lift the machine up to the countertop. To install your unit, you will need a utility knife, a pair of cutters, adjustable wrench, and a level indicator. Cut the straps to be able to unpack the machine. Open the top of the box and remove all foam pieces covering the machine. Remove the cardboard box, plastic bags, and all protections on the machine. Retrieve the bean upper in front of the unit. Lift the machine up onto the countertop using the appropriate tools. Must wear the protective equipment just to play safe. If you don't have the right tools to do so, make sure that you got a helping hand to lift the machine up. Recover the main key located onto the drip tray. Open the machine up. Remove the waste bin. And there you'll find all the accessories inside. You will find the drip tray and grill. You will also find the user's manual and some tools, and the hose to connect to the water line. Extended legs to be NSF compliant. Also get a kit of fittings. Level the machine using the leveling lights underneath the machine. Before connecting the machine to the water line, make sure that you got the proper water line and requirements to connect your machine. You must have a valve to be able to shut the water line off, and also have the proper fitting on the water line. Before connecting any appliances to the water line, make sure to drain the line for at least 1 gallon to get rid of the sediments and minerals inside the water line. Hooking the machine to the water line. Place the fitting on the back of the machine. Screw it on. And make sure it's tight enough. Do not over torque so as to not damage the inlet valve. And then slowly open the waterline valve and check for any water leakage. Before plugging the machine in, verify the nameplate of the machine that is located inside the unit to make sure you have the right electrical hookup for the machine. Plug the unit into a dedicated outlet. Put the waste bin back and also reinstall the drip tray and grill. Once you install the machine on the countertop, remove any tapes inside the machine. Remove the protection foam in between each canister. Unpacking the bean hopper. Make sure to use the appropriate tool and avoid scratching the bean upper, and inspect the bean upper after unpacking for any kind of visual damage to it. Before filling the bean upper, make sure that the trapdoors underneath are totally closed. Once the bean upper has been filled, put it back on top of the machine and then open the trapdoors underneath the bean upper. Those are the green flaps that you see underneath. Fully open them. You are now ready to turn the machine on and start filling your products.